Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video I just wanted to give you an overview about my updated course for Filament. So I recently updated this course for Filament version 3 and Livewire version 3, and both Livewire version 3 and Filament version 3 offer a lot of stuff. So we'll try to incorporate those features in this course. But in this case, we'll incorporate the Filament version 3 features, and under the hood, Filament is using Livewire version 3, so it offers SPAs and all the other stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and look into the content that I have added in this update. So for the student management system, I have added some new content where we'll work on defining the custom guards. We will work on defining a dedicated student panel for the students and fix a few other stuff. And after working on this, we will be working on this support ticket system where we'll start by upgrading Laravel and Filament and fix a few stuff, add header widgets, and we'll also look at charts and implement filters accordingly. And we'll also mock this SMS sending flow. So you can use this to basically implement bulk SMS sending, bulk email sending, and similar features. And later we'll implement this database notifications and also implement this real-time database notification. And yeah, finally we will look at building custom components in FilamentPHP. So yeah, let's go ahead and look into this from my Twitter profile. So I made a tweet about the topics that I am covering in this update. So we'll build out this metric widget from scratch, and on clicking this filter, the data will be updated accordingly. And once we work on this, we'll later define a command to automate the creation of these widgets. So if we go ahead and look into the terminal, then I can type in this artisan make metric widget and pass in the metric widget name, and this would attach it to the resource and also pass in the namespace for this and create this metric widget. So I will also work on automating the process of creating these widgets and other stuff. I think I have covered them already. So yeah, just wanted to give you an overview about the stuff that I've been working on for the Filament v3 update, and this is something that I've been working on for a while, and I also believe that this is the right time for you to enroll in the course, and you'll learn a lot of stuff along the way. These contents are not covered anywhere, and yeah, you'll learn a lot of stuff about how Filament works under the hood and basically build out custom features based on your needs. So yeah, I'll be linking the course in the description below. I'll attach a coupon code as well. So if you like this content, then go ahead and hit that buy button, and I hope to see you inside the course.